Good day, New York, and welcome back to my channel. So we'll be doing Mechanics Alley. So, again guys, this is Henry Street, going west, Henry Street going east. Now, we are here by the side of the Manhattan Bridge. Let me see now. So basically, in this one, we only have one street, guys, and the name is Mechanics Alley. It's what's between Market Street and I forgot the street back there, Pike Alley, I think it is. Anyways, so this is a very small street, guys. As you can see, it's only 1 block long, and the name is, again, Mechanics Alley, and we begin the journey now. So again, guys, this is only one street. It's what's between several streets, like I said, and we are by the side of the Manhattan Bridge. But this is Mechanics Alley Street, or alley, yes, alley. Just so you can see, and this is in the heart of Chinatown, because this is part of Chinatown. So it begins at Henry Street and it ends back there, Madison Street. As you can see, also guys, another thing. So this is Mechanics Alley, Madison. Now, if you notice in the back, there's another alley. There's another alley, guys, but I think it's only that street back there. So we're gonna combine them together, and this is just called an alley. Check it out. You got these faces here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record the two of them. Now, I don't think Google has a name for this, but I think it's just an alley. It's a regular alley. So when I come here, I'm gonna include it next to the Mechanics Alley. So it's Mechanics Alley and alley. Just so you can see how the streets of New York City are. Noisemaker. We're gonna go across the street and do a 190, guys. 180, sorry, 180. And as you can see, this is the park right here. So now we're gonna do a 180 back north again. Again, see, these are some of the hidden streets that you see around here. You got a big block there with graffiti. We keep going up there, guys. Again, I just, I know this alley was here, guys, but I didn't know it was connected with the Mechanics Alley back there. So at least I'm putting both of them together. And again, you got these three faces. I do not know who they are. There's probably like a rock group or something. Now we keep going this way. And again, guys, I'll check Google later on. I'll put it in the description. But that street back there, that's Mechanics Alley. This one, I don't know if it's part of it or not. But I gotta check Google Map, because some of these streets don't have no names, don't have no signs, and don't have no address. So yeah. But nonetheless, it's part of the New York City structure. Before we end the video, guys, let me go on let me go in the middle of the street and show you one last time both of them, the alleys. So check it out, guys. Mechanics Alley Street, and then there's another alley back there where the streets are. Now, okay guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for walking with me on this journey. As always, I thank you very much. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. And also, suscríbanse, like, share it, y documenten. Comenten. Y aquí estamos en la calle Mechanics Alley. And guys, I will see you as always somewhere in time. Mechanics Alley. Bye.